name's Sarah Vance with Rebalance Life. I'm a mom and a nutritionist, so I know it's not always easy to get our kids to eat their fruits and veggies. One of our favorite tools is a smoothie. I'm going to show you one of our favorite smoothies today. So one of the things that I like to do is to add vegetables to my smoothies. Spinach is a great vegetable, especially the baby spinach. They're really mild in taste, almost adds no flavor at all. And it goes great with darker fruits like blueberries and blackberries, and even strawberries. Another vegetable that I like to add to my smoothies are red cabbage. And this, again, adds a beautiful, rich red color when you're making anything with red berries like strawberries and raspberries, cherries. And it's going to add a lot of extra fiber and vitamins. And another one that I always love to use are carrots. Carrots are, again, another source of antioxidants and beta-carotene and fiber as well. But sometimes if you don't have a really powerful blender, adding the whole raw vegetable may not work as well as you'd like it to, because you might still feel a little bit of the texture in there if you don't have a really super powerful blender. So one way to do that is to make a puree. And the way you do that is you just take your carrots and you put them in a steamer basket and go ahead and steam them for a couple of minutes. That your carrots are fork tender. Let me get this on here. Ooh, those are steaming. So yeah, you want your carrots just to be nice and fork tender before you put them in your food processor. You could use a baby food maker like what I have here, a food processor, a blender, whatever you want to use. A food processor and a baby food maker are usually the best way to go, because it's going to get a nice puree. You want to add just a little bit of water. Start with just a little bit and see how it goes. Just a little bit of a spatula. And you can see that beautiful puree. You get all the texture out, but you still retain that beautiful orange color. And you could just store these in little mini ice cube trays and freeze them, and then you'll keep them. And they'll also add a little thickness to your smoothie as well. Or just go ahead and use it right out of the baby food maker. So this is one way to just add a little bit of extra nutrition to your smoothies.